Hi, my name's Paul Denst, co-owner Chicago Print Group. Starting out, we were traditionally a signage point of purchase, point of sale organization. 2021, we purchased a design and merchandising company, a 30-year established company, and that really drove us to getting into more of the point of purchase, point of sale, the retail displays that you see in retail, and working with a lot of corrugated displays. As we were looking to change our equipment out, and we looked to go to Durst, it really came down to what was going to work really well for us, which ultimately drove us to purchase the P5350 D4. On the corrugate side, it was really above and beyond what other manufacturers were doing. We can run anything from rolls to flat sheets with it all on the same platform. Everything from if you're running decals to styrene sheets or signs to corrugated boxes or floor units. We can be that one-stop shop to be able to allow those clients to utilize our services for their entire marketing kits.
My name is John Baltazar. I am the Director of Operations here at Chicago Print Group. Durst has been a game changer for us. My experience personally has been the uptime on them is better than anybody else. I've used lots of different equipment out there, and for sure, hands down, Durst is the most durable. It goes further than just the equipment. It also plays into software. We're hoping by the beginning of this year coming up, we'll have transitioned over to implementing Lift. Been a big fan, have a lot of good relationships within the organization. When I need support, I know exactly who to call and get what I need as quick as I can get it. So one of the features that the very first time we used the press was on 3mm PVC, and the client wanted a haptic print, and obviously that's the best, easiest way to do it is on a stationary table, which is one of the reasons we bought it. Redundancy is a big reason why we chose 3 Dursts rather than 3 different types of presses. Sometimes we'll get a project for a client and it'll start out on the P5, but then they'll call up later and they'll say, you know what, we really liked it. Now we want 1,000 of them. And then we can simply move it to our D4. And because it's color managed the same way, using the same ink sets, it's just more heads in the press that allow us to print faster. It's a great way to transition from one piece of equipment to the other without a bunch of headaches. With the full line of Durst presses we have now, I would estimate we've probably tripled our capacity on the print side. If you are looking to buy a new press, go with Durst. It's a great, solid platform. And if you are looking for uptime and a high quality piece of equipment, Durst is the way to go.
I would recommend Durst due to the high quality of their ink sets, their laydown, and the speed of the machines. If you're a print provider like us and you're looking for a perfect solution, I would look no farther than Durst.